Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Connecting your HP printer to JioFiber can be tricky, especially in 2025. Many users face frustrating compatibility problems when trying to link their devices directly. This video reveals the only truly reliable method to get your printer online, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free experience. We will simplify the entire process for you, guiding you step by step through this definitive solution. You might have already tried connecting your HP printer directly via WPS or standard Wi-Fi, only to find it consistently fails. This is a common issue because many HP models lack full native compatibility with JioFiber's specific network protocols. Instead of repeatedly trying an unreliable method, understanding this limitation helps us pivot to a much more robust and consistent approach. It saves you time and frustration. The single most consistent and reliable solution for connecting your HP printer to JioFiber is Wi-Fi Direct. This clever feature allows your HP printer to create its own dedicated, secure Wi-Fi network, completely independent of your JioFiber router. By connecting your computer or mobile device directly to this printer network, you entirely bypass any potential compatibility issues or network complexities, ensuring a stable link every time. Activating Wi-Fi Direct on your HP printer is quite straightforward and takes only a few moments. First, navigate to the network or wireless settings menu on your printer's control panel. Look for Wi-Fi Direct and enable it. Your printer will then display a unique network name and password. Finally, connect your computer, phone, or tablet to this specific printer network, just like you would any other Wi-Fi network. For optimal performance, always ensure Wi-Fi Direct is enabled and discoverable on your HP printer. If you encounter any difficulties, consulting your specific HP printer's manual will provide model-specific instructions for Wi-Fi Direct activation. Should problems still persist, a simple restart of both your printer and the device you are connecting from often resolves minor glitches, ensuring a smooth and reliable print experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.